guys. These are the ODM axles off of Amazon. This one, yeah, ODM, it's the part number. They were about 80 bucks a piece, and they look very similar to factory. So they have the little ribs here with the bigger tube on the center, and then they step down to the axle to go into the joint there. But yeah, looks like really good quality. Joints are tight. The CVs seem very well made. So we'll toss them in. I already got one side in here. Check it out. One side's already in. And that one is more of a solid black color. The other one has a shinier finish on it, which I guess doesn't really matter, but they look about the same. Alright, axle's installed. Got it bolted up still, but I want to do a little pro tip here. So these toe adjustments for the tie rod is a raised toe adjustment right here. So the tie rod slides in and out, up and down right here. So what I always do is I'll take a bone tool and I will mark where the raised toe is. So we have to go down a little bit. So perfect. So that is the raised toe adjustment. Just a heads up, if you do end up using these Amazon axles, you gotta pull this cap off the driver's side. It does not fit into the flange, so just a heads up, you gotta remove this to get the axle installed. Alright, I sent it pretty hard. Last little bit, these tires are shot. See a little rubber scrape action. Alright, new meat's on. We got some Bridgestone Potenzas, 225, 4018s. So tiny bit stretch on these 18x8 VMR 703s, but they should do great. So got them on now and go for a drive, see how it is back to all-wheel drive, right? All right, this will be the first, pretty much second gear pull since putting the axles back in the front. Here we go. Man, that's awesome. I totally forgot how hard this car pulls in the second and third gear. That's so awesome. It's crazy having the welded torsion in right now because it pushes so much harder from the rear. I don't know if it's just because it's sending, as much power as it can back there, plus it's pulling from the front, but man, it does pull hard. So I'm still in third gear right now. Really miss that a lot. It's awesome. Anybody that wants to do rear-wheel drive conversion, go for it. It's fun. It is a blast to be able to kick gas in and out whenever and do fat burnouts, but the pull you get from the all-wheel drive, being able to just accelerate that hard is amazing. So yeah, I won't be going back to rear-wheel drive anytime soon. So this is second gear. Brakes traction in the rear still, that's so crazy. Alright guys, we're going to do a third gear log here. It'll be the first time I've really done a good log since I did the 3-bar map upgrade. So I have to lap light, get into third gear, and do a pull. Alright, here we go. Yeah, this thing pulls hard. Stop the log here. Man, the top end is just crazy. Once you get above, 5,500 RPM, it just keeps pulling and pulling. It's awesome. Okay, here's the log. We ran a 3.31 fats and roughly around 470 torque and like 468 horsepower. So for the first log I've been able to do since doing the tune, I'm pretty damn stoked with that. Boost is spiking around, tapered up to almost 24, a little over 24 psi, and then kind of tapered down to like 23.5, 24 by red line. So you can see right there. So boost looks great. I'm really happy with those numbers for the first big time log since doing the 3-bar map file. So that's awesome. And now we're gonna do the celebratory launch here. So I'm at the my usual test track here, and we'll see how it does on a launch. All right, let's get lined up here. Do some two-step and see how it does. Just broke loose. Man. So yeah, it just completely broke them loose off the launch. That's awesome. Alright, well, that launch was insane. I was not expecting it to break loose as much as it did. I think having the welded center diff is sending a lot more power to the rear than usual. So it's breaking loose, but still the front wheels are working. I mean, it's definitely pulling you forward, but man, that was, I think the two-step's a little high. I need to lower that down a little bit. I think it was around 4,800, so I need to back that off. I'm really excited that I'm back to all-wheel drive. It's just a totally different car now, back to what it was. Rear-wheel drive was really fun, though. I do admit it was a great time. I had a lot of fun with it. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos of it. If you haven't checked them out before, please go check them out on the channel. It's awesome to be able to experience that and share it with you guys. One thing I do want to say is thank you to everybody that has subscribed to the channel so far. We're at 2,600 subscribers as of tonight, and that's just amazing. It's awesome to see everybody interacting in the comments, so thank you for that. Keep going with the comments, and make sure, give it a like and thumbs up. And I really do appreciate everybody that has subscribed, that has watched the videos, and it's just an amazing thing that I could be able to share this stuff with you guys and move forward with all the content that I really have planned and really want to do, and it's gonna be awesome. So thanks again for coming along for that journey. And I also want to say it's pretty cool to see how the channel has progressed. When I started Germanly tuning and the YouTube channel and stuff, I really wasn't sure how it would go. I wasn't sure how things would progress, and I just kept with it. And that's what a lot of people say, is just stick with it, make the videos. And I do love making videos, and I like to make them as entertaining as possible. And I'm always open to comments about what I should do as far as content, or things I should do differently. One thing I am working on is audio, so hopefully we'll get some good audio here in the next next videos. So I apologize. The audio's been kind of weird. Thanks for hanging in there. But you know, it's been really awesome, and I'm excited for the things to come. So I'm glad back to all-wheel drive, and we can definitely start enjoying, you know, first to third gear and not breaking the tires loose. So again, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.